The Afghan Taliban have struck again. This time they're demanding the release of prisoners in exchange for two kidnapped French journalists. The journalists belong to France 3 television and were captured in mainly French-patrolled Capisa province, northeast of the capital Kabul, in December along with their Afghan driver and translator. In a statement, the Taliban say they have sent a list of detainees to the Afghan government who will be exchanged for the French nationals. The two journalists are shown making similar statements in French. Both appear to be in good health, although tired, and speak slowly and clearly with little emotion.
This message is the last message for the French government and my TV France 3. After 3 months to be prisoner, the Taliban want absolutely that their willing has to be accepted by French officials. Also, they absolutely want that this interview will be broadcast on the French TV. If not, we will be executed soon. Myself, Stéphane, our translator Reza, Sattar, and the driver. The French President, Mr. Nicolas Sarkozy, must understand that we are now in danger of death. I repeat, the French President must negotiate very quickly, otherwise we will be executed soon.
The Taliban statement says that if those involved in this issue do not show swiftness and urgency, then the life of the French nationals is in imminent danger. Ali Mirza, Dawn News.